Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and in today's tutorial we are going to create a dripping paint portrait effect. So let's get started. First, open the image, select the quick selection tool. Now select the subject. To deselect, tap on the screen while holding down the Alt button. Click the Refine Edge button. Here increase the radius size to refine edges. Select New Layer with Layer Mask. Click OK. Background is removed. Now, right-click and convert it to the Smart Object. Click Ctrl T to transform it. Click the check button. Add the layer mask to it. Drag open the dripping paint image over here. Ctrl T and transform it too. Click the check button. Click on the mask and select the brush tool. Set the blending mode to screen. Now press Ctrl-Shift-I and click here. Hide the layer. Set the blending mode to pen light. Remove the unwanted areas below the dripping paint. Deselect it by Ctrl-D. Ctrl-T and resize it. Add a solid color layer and select white color. Select the ellipse tool and draw a circle. Ctrl T to transform it. Double click, select this color. Set a bit lighter shade. And ta-da! Our dripping paint portrait effect is ready.